Welcome to easyTrack, the software solution for simulating swept turning paths for large heavy load vehicles and their cargo. Like in our swept turning path tool SmartTurn, you'll find a vehicle library containing standard vehicles such as cars, buses or trucks, as well as a collection of heavy load vehicles from Goldhofer, Fehmarnville, Schuyler and more. When you run your cursor over the items in the list, a top view drawing of the vehicles will appear. Before starting a simulation, you need to enter the simulation type. There are 4 types of simulation to choose from. You can make a vehicle go along a predefined tracking path at a constant speed, or you can make a vehicle go along a tracking path while it brakes and accelerates, which means that the vehicle adapts to the tracking path. The third type of simulation allows you to steer a vehicle independently of a tracking path, using the arrow keys on your keyboard. In this type of simulation, you can also make the vehicle go backwards. The fourth type of simulation is the so-called mouse-controlled simulation, where the vehicle is attached to your cursor while visualizing the possible directions and curves the vehicle can take at the speed you set. On the left, in the dialog box, you can see many more settings that enable you to visualize the tracking point, travel path, or area swept by the vehicle or the cargo. You can make the program visualize collisions, print vehicle outlines in your drawing, or create a log containing the vehicle's steering angles and speed at the intervals you've chosen. Let's now take a closer look at the different types of simulation and how to use them. Before you start any simulation, you need to set a speed for the vehicle. The speed has a direct impact on easyTrack's dynamic simulation and is important to ensure reliable results. It's also necessary to either define a tracking path or choose an existing one. For vehicles which have a second tracking point, you can choose a second tracking path. This second line is needed for the trailer that includes the second tracking point of your vehicle combination. Select the line you wish the vehicle to go along. The yellow line on your cursor defines the vehicle's direction. Before starting the simulation, you may also want to check your tracking point. By setting the tracking point, you can determine whether the vehicle follows on top of or alongside the tracking path. The tracking point is set at the middle of the front axle by default. As shown before, a second tracking point can be chosen for the trailer. Finally, press Start to begin the simulation and wait till the end for its results to be shown on your screen. easyTrack comes with its own vehicle editor to edit prime movers and join vehicles for vehicle combinations. Our vehicle editor offers a full range of settings for prime movers, among which are settings for the vehicle dimensions, axles, tyre types and many more. The vehicle editor also allows you to design your own loads in our loads editor. Simply create points and move them to the desired positions. A unique feature of easyTrack's vehicle editor is its ability to import drawings from your CAD software into the editor and use them directly in your simulations. In order to create a vehicle combination, you must first choose a prime mover. Left-click the prime mover, keep the left mouse button down and drag the vehicle onto the first position. Then choose a trailer and a load. You can determine the load's position on the trailer by setting its distance from the trailer's front, back or sides. If you're looking for more information, please contact us and subscribe to our YouTube channel.